So I'm gonna be using these half inch boards. Supposedly they're 3/4, but I think they're half inch. 7 inches in height. If you're looking at it like this, 7 inches in height. I think it's 6 feet, something like that. Got it from Home Depot. The one thing that you have to make sure is check if they have these staples. Some of them do, some of them don't. That's one thing to watch out for. So definitely take those out prior. So I'll be using carbon gray. It's a gel stain. Got this at Home Depot. It's pretty nice. It's a little pricey. I think it's like 25 bucks. But overall, I really like it's like a washed out gray. And you'll see in a second. All right, so I got the boards stained. All I need is the top to be stained, because it's gonna be cut out by the CNC anyway, so we'll stain the edges right after. Alright, so here is the final product of the CNC, the Onfinity machine. So here's the Doggie tray. The hardest part overall about this project is creating the file, or adjusting the file. I bought the file on Etsy. I just modified it just a little bit, just so it fits with the boards that I currently have. So yeah, the only issue that I had was it nicked the K right there. You can kind of see there's supposed to be a little bit more right there of the K, but it nicked it. It's all good. I think it's just the file or the bit. I'm not sure, but it's I'm still learning. This is possibly my 10th project on the CNC. So yeah, so I'm still learning about the bits, how to use them. So all you guys that are uploading videos on how to use Carvco, how to use the CNC, Onfinity, etc., it's a lot of help, because I'm learning from you guys, and yeah, this is your guys's thanks to your guys' help, I got this little tray going. Here's the bottom. Alright guys, appreciate it. You guys take care. Peace.